I am totally pretending to not be hot because now that the lights are on me, ooh, I got a little sweat dripping down my back, my neck, my back, lick my in my crack. What's up, my finals? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm really excited because I have my November favorites. I had 0 womps. Your girl had everything work out for her, so that's always a plus side. Before we get into the video, I wanted to talk about some things and also address some things that I'm going to be changing on my channel. First thing up is your girl has balance in her background. Doesn't this look more balanced now that I have that? I feel like I had such an empty damn wall behind me because I took away my desk that was holding my pineapples and I put it right here next to me because I needed more desk space when I filmed. If you guys haven't seen, I have a whole beauty room tour. I show all my equipment, all my setup, a very realistic one because no one ever has a perfect room, and if they do, they be lying to kick it. I'm going to be decorating it for Christmas, so this is temporary. Starting in December, I'm going to have a cute Christmas background. Next up I want to address is my upload schedule, and I upload every Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday like a lot of you know, but starting from this video on, I will only be uploading every Tuesday and Thursday. Reason being is because I'm going to be participating in Vlogmas, so I'm super excited. I can't wait. Like, I don't know, I wasn't sure if I was going to like switch it up, maybe bring it to this channel, but I didn't want to like stop what I do on my vlog channel. If you didn't know, I have a vlog channel, What Would Lizzy Vlog. I'm super excited. Like, go watch last year's. A lot of people loved it. I loved my intro, and we're working on a new one right now, but I vlog every single day in December, so it's a lot to take on because it's just me. I don't get any help, so just knowing that I'm going to be doing that, and also my beauty channel, I don't want to like keep saying, oh, no video Sunday, oh, no video Thursday. I think that's just a waste of time, so I will only be uploading twice a week on my channel and then every single day on my vlog channel. So I'm really excited. That's all just like vlogs. We started doing mukbangs. We just uploaded a Jollibee mukbang. We're going to be doing activities and all of that, but you guys get to see like outside just beauty videos, and a lot of people usually say, oh my gosh, I love your vlog channel. I wish more people would go there. So I would really love for you guys to go and subscribe to that. I would really appreciate it. And I think that's about it. Alright guys, now let's get started into my November favorites, and don't forget to subscribe if you have not already because it is free, $99. Also click that bell so you get notified, or else the tube won't show me on your feed. Alright, let's get going. First off, I want to give a big shout out to It Cosmetics because they sent a PR package. If you guys watch PR unboxings or stories and stuff, you guys might have seen this before in someone else's PR box, but It Cosmetics sent over these Key Australia glasses, and they're clear frames. They also come in a black. So with these glasses, they block out HEV light, and this will help if you're on your laptop or if you work at a desk and you're on a computer all day, or if you're just watching TV, even Instagramming it up, just basically any kind of electronics that you are personally staring at for a long time. Where are my gamers at? I know I have you on here. This will help with eye strain, reducing eye blurriness, help reducing headaches, and the stuff actually works. So I've been testing it out. I finally grabbed it. I'm like, let me give these babies a try because I'm someone where I suffer from eye strain. Like, that's something I usually complain about at the end of every single day whenever I edit. I'm like, oh, my damn eyes, like they hurt. I've been suffering from eye strain more like the past 2 years, so I started using these, and oh my gosh, it makes all the difference. I honestly didn't think that something like this would really help, and it did. I don't know why I didn't think, but you know, you just think, this is more for just like, I don't know, like accessory wise, but it works. Like, obviously you can wear this out. I am a contact lens wearer, so I have my contacts on and then I'll just have these on and it's perfectly fine. I also saw on the site that you can actually get prescription now in the lens. So I don't know how that works, but I saw that on the site. I'm in love with these. These have really helped. So if you're someone where you work like at a desk all day long or anything like that, I highly recommend them. I don't know when they're stopping it, but I know today they have 30% off. So hopefully you see this video in time. Next up, I have to give a shout out to, so excited about this. This is a limited edition cup. It is gold. I kind of stopped buying Starbucks cups because I started going so crazy like the last couple of years. I always get like the Valentine's Day collection. This year is really good and I didn't. Did I? No, I didn't. But last year I did. I got almost all the mugs. It's like, how many damn freaking cups or mugs can you really get? But this, I couldn't pass up because it's so cute for all year round. I mean, the red and green are really pretty too for Christmas, but gold, oh, I love it. Now, speaking of Christmas, I'm really excited just for the holidays period. I don't know, I feel like I'm more excited than last year for some reason. I don't know what it is, but I went ahead and did an order at Bath & Body Works, and I actually met one of my viewers. So, hey girl, hey. She helped me like return one of my candles because it came broken. The Twisted Peppermint shower gel, oh my gosh, it smells so good. It's not just like peppermint, it's like sweet peppermint, and it makes me feel like super festive and I love like the cool effect it gives on my body. But if you guys haven't tried this out, I highly recommend it. I got this one in like a frosted berry one, but this one is my favorite. Now I know I've already talked about this product so many times, but I'm obsessed with it. It has saved my lips. I'm telling you, no matter what lipstick I wear or whatever, or the weather has been a little bit more cold and dry, this saves it. The Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask, my favorite scent. Apple lime, hands down. It's more like a green apple lime. I also do love the grapefruit, but something about this one puts me in a good mood to put on my lips. I let Glenn have my berry because that one's like almost done and he started using it because his lips are getting chapped and he's been loving it. So I'm obsessed with this stuff. Oh my gosh, I love the apple lime, and whenever I use it, I don't know if you guys can see what I'm doing with it, but I'm like making like a little funnel with my finger. Yeah, those little things in life make me happy. This palette has been my favorite, hands down. And again, I have to give a shout out to the Frankation? I don't even know what the hell I'm using. Frankation by Desi and Katie. I've used every single shade in this palette. I have annihilated it. I have mixed it. As you can see, I was like putting the cranberry with this one because when you mix the cranberry with this dark blue, you get like a really like purple, like midnight shade. It's beautiful. But the other day in my video, I used the blue and all of you were saying, oh my gosh, like that blue looks so stunning. I'm obsessed with the blue. Like this is just such an amazing palette. I use every single color. I'm sure you can see how much use I've been getting in it. I'm like, oh, in love with it. I know they had like a Cyber Monday and they had 40% off. I almost bought a backup, but I was like, oh, I know there's so many future palettes. Another one I've been really enjoying, which I did a whole review on, is the Naked Cherry. I really didn't think I was gonna love it as much as I do, and I love it. Like I use it a lot in conjunction with the Frankation. This has just been my go-to. Like even though a lot of like the berry shades kind of look the same, they are not. Like I've been doing such beautiful like burgundy smoky eyes, natural pink eyes. Just this palette has just been my go-to and like my favorite. So since I've been doing a lot of makeup looks, if you see my past videos, like especially my Black Friday video, which obviously doesn't pertain to now, but I had blue shadow, and in my lower lash line and also my waterline, I had this blue pencil right here, and I'm obsessed with these pencils from Marc Jacobs. These are like the highliner gel pencils, I believe. Yeah, highliner gel crayon. They do not transfer into my contacts. That's the big thing that happens with me with a lot of brands, and they ruin the contact lens. I will try to rub it and get all the residue off and it will not come off. It's almost like it spreads it, and you ruin a good pair of contact lenses, and that is just like the worst because contact lenses are so expensive. So I've been using the black and brown as well. These do not transfer. I highly recommend them. They're a pretty penny, but compared to ruining your contact lens, which costs so much, to the liner, it's like no comparison. This is gonna last a long time. If you only need the black one, get just one black one. It's gonna last you forever. There's a sharpener at the bottom, and yeah, I love it. I am getting so hot in this sweater. By the way, I got it from Old Navy and I feel so bad because they sold out of it. Now I'm starting to get hot with all the lights. Now, one thing I want to say is a big thank you to everybody who has supported my collab liquid lipstick. So if you guys didn't know, I came out with a custom liquid lipstick. This is from the Matte Addiction line. Probably one of my top products I love from the entire line. It is such a lightweight lip color. I'm trying to see if it's still on. Yeah, it's still on. I ate lunch right now and I still have it on. It's super, super light. Obviously, this is a matte lip color, so if you have any dryness in your lips, just put a balm. This is the shade that I have right here, Peachy Keen. This is like my go-to. This is totally me. I am a peachy nude lover. It is just my #1. And I just want to say thank you to everybody who's DMing me, also messaging me, just anything, tagging me that you guys are wearing it. They weren't online, but now they are finally online, so I'll link it down below where you can get it. I know some of you have been searching for it in stores, and I apologize that it was maybe sold out or the display wasn't out, but now they have it online, so you don't have to like go and drive anywhere. So I really appreciate it if you guys have been supporting this. It means a lot. So if you guys have purchased this or anything like that, go ahead and DM me your lip color, and so I can feature you. I've been putting you guys on my stories, and it just means a lot, you know? Like, I just feel so much support, and I'm just like, oh, like, I think that's why I'm like, I'm trying to like hold back my tears because you guys know I'm super emotional, and I just appreciate you guys because I think, damn, there's like so many freaking people who are on YouTube and you guys come back to my channel, and I think like, I feel just blessed, you know, for whoever watches me. So I want to say thank you. So here's my shade right here. I'm wearing it, Peachy Keen. It looks a little bit different in natural light because when you have studio lights, like, I don't know. See, if I back up away from the light, that's what it looks like right there. It's a little bit darker, but obviously I have my lights in front of me, so it makes it look a little bit on the light side, but There we go. Yeah, thank you so much for supporting Peachy Keen. It really means a lot, and I've been having so much fun featuring you guys and seeing you guys swatch it or wear it or feature it. And let me know if you guys have featured it. Let me know. DM me, message me, don't feel shy. Now, I am someone where I have personally run out of wax strips, and this baby has come into play. Now, I just recently ordered more, but I don't really go like in store to buy a lot of stuff because I always use Ebates and then I just ship everything. So that's why I ran out. But I don't get like my stash waxed all the time, but I've been using this Flawless Personal Touch. This one is just like the rose gold one, and you just turn it on. It's battery operated, and right now I'm getting my stash. I just go like this, and it's really gentle on the skin. You don't even feel it, and it's like amazing. I know they just came out with a brow one, and they have like a smaller one, I think for like the nose. I think they have one for the face too and the legs, but this one just comes in handy for my stash because, yeah, I don't know. I don't really do like the rest of my face, but I absolutely love this just because it's so handy and convenient. If you don't want to get wax all the time, sometimes I get irritated. My skin gets like sensitive, so that's why I just really do it on my own now, or I'll just use this. So yeah, if you guys want to get rid of your stash, use the Flawless Touch. So I'm very surprised that I found this powder because I'm very judgmental when it comes to under eye sets. I'm currently wearing it right now. I love the Laura Mercier. That is like my freaking #1. Like, will always be my #1. I love other ones like the Too Faced ones. The Too Faced Ethereal Setting Powder, that one's really good. The Peach Perfect is also good, but this one comes like right up there with Laura Mercier, except there's one little thing about it that some of you may not like. Now, this is the classic translucent, but I feel like personally when I set my eyes, it looks just like the Laura Mercier, but it brightens just a little bit, just a little. They also have a brightening one and a peach one, I believe. I don't think it's completely translucent, even though they do have a brightening one, but I don't know. I just love the way how it sets my under eyes. I think it is amazing. I haven't used it all over my face just because it does have that brightening effect, in my opinion. I mean, I know you can really like blow it out to kind of get rid of it, but it's just very slightly like brightening. I just want to put that out there because I feel like if someone gets in, they're like, I think this is brightening. It is. It is. Okay. I like it. Lawless Beauty. Did I say that? Lawless Beauty powder. Wow. I'm getting really hot. I'm like sweating and like the sweat's going down my back. Like a lot right now. I have two more favorites now. The weather has been kind of like funky. It'll be kind of warm, but then it gets like super cold, and my skin has actually been getting more on the dry side. I'm like, oh my gosh, what's going on? Drier than usual, like much more dry than I was any other year. And this has been like my go-to. This is the Peach Perfect Too Faced, what do they call this? Comfort Matte Foundation. It says it's infused with peach and sweet fig cream. Now I'm wearing the shade Warm Beige. I know in my other video I said I was wearing golden with the Too Faced Born This Way. I'm wearing Warm Beige right now. I think I was going a little bit too dark, so Warm Beige is my shade. That is what I'm wearing. I've been going through this one and also the Too Faced Born This Way, but I've been using this a lot just because it's really nice and moisturizing. It's not too heavy on the face, and I just like the way it looks. It's perfect for every day, and it doesn't look too mattifying, and it still gives my skin some glow because I was wearing, what was I wearing? I was wearing my favorite drugstore one, the Maybelline 24 Hour, and it looked like crap on me. I'm like, oh my gosh, my skin was a little bit too dry for it, so this has been my go-to. And then my favorite everyday primer has been the Master Prime from Maybelline. This has just been amazing. It's been filling in my pores. It's really nice. It's more on the moisturizing side because, like I said, my skin has been changing a little bit, and yeah, this has been my go-to. All right, you guys, well, that is it for today's November favorites. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and remember, starting from now on, I will only upload every Tuesday and Thursday, and go check out my vlog channel because I will be starting Vlogmas and Vlogcember really soon, which is every single day that I will be uploading. All right, you guys, I love you so much. Go ahead and check out my videos down below in case you missed any. Click that bell or else I won't show up on your feed, and I think that's about it. Love you, fine apples. Mwah. Whoop, whoop.
Here we go. It's all about you. It's all about me. It's all about what we do. Making art, you and me. Trying to find something to believe.